Hello children, welcome to the social science class of 6th grade. Children, today I am going to begin with the new lesson in a geographical section, that is Asia, a land of contrast. Asia is the largest continent in this world. Contrast means different. Asia is a land of different. First, what will we learn from this lesson? First, we will understand the location, extent, physical setting, and contrasting features of the Asian continent. Second, we will understand the regional divisions and highlights of their contrasting features. Five regional divisions are there in Asia. So, every regional division has its own uniqueness. Third one, we will understand the major physiographic divisions of Asia. Fourth, we will understand the relationship between rivers and agriculture activity in Asian continent. Fifth, we will come to know the relationship between climate and natural vegetation of the Asia. Next, we will understand the occurrence of major minerals, minerals like diamond, minerals like gold, silver, charcoal, and minerals like petroleum. Growth, distribution, and density of the population. So, Asia has huge population. It is one of the populous country in the world. And first, introduction. Asia is the largest of all continents. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Australia is the smallest continent. Africa is the second largest continent. North America is the third largest continent in this world. If you talk about the Asia, it has greatest variety in the terms of physical features. It has a variety in all physical features. So it has a variety in climate, it has a variety in vegetation, it has a variety in wildlife, it has a variety in soils. So Asia has the highest mountain peaks are there in Asia in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Mount Everest is there in Nepal, it comes in Asia, and Mount Kailas is also one of the highest mountain peak in the world. So these two important mountains are located in Asian continent, and Asia has plateaus, especially two plateaus means level area. This level area is located in elevated place means the highest place, especially Tibetan plateau in China, Siberian plateau in Russia are important plateaus in Asian continent. And this Asia has vast fertile plains. Fertile plains means fertile land. Fertile plains means fertile land. Plain means the level area. This area will be providing food, huge crops and vegetation. This area will produce abundant crops and vegetation. So, two vast fertile plains are there in Indo-Gangetic Plain in India and Pakistan, Crescent Plain in Iran. So, two important fertile plains are located in Asian continent. And it has a two important desert. Thar desert in India, it comes in Rajasthan, and Gobi desert in Mongolia. And Asia is the land of many languages. Various types of the languages are there in Asia. And Asia is a home for all religions in the world. Asia is a home for Islam. Asia is a home for Christianity. Asia is a home for Hindus, Buddhist. Asia is home for Sikh. Asia is home for Jain. And all religions of the world are there in Asian continent. And location. First location. Asia lies between 1.60 degree in the north to 77.41 degree in the north latitude and 26.04 degree in the east to 169.40 degree in the west latitude. The equator passes just south Malaysia. Equator means middle line. Just middle line passes through the south of Malaysia, and Tropic of Cancer passes through the Arabia. This is Arabia. Tropic of Capricorn means last line. Three lines are there in Asian continent: Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Capricorn. And next, physical setting. The Asian continent is bounded by ocean on three sides. If you talk about the Arctic Ocean is there in the Asia is bounded by in the east. This Asia is bounded by Indian Ocean in the south, and Asia continent is there in the west of Asian continent. So first, Arctic Ocean is there in northern part of Asian continent. Pacific Ocean is there in eastern part of Asian continent. Indian Ocean is there in southern part of India, and western side of the Asian continent, Europe continent is there. So this is about the physical setting of the Asian continent. Next, the boundary separating Asia and Africa is along with the Suez Canal. This is man-made canal located in between Africa and Asia. This man-made canal will separate Asia from Africa. This is one of the busiest sea route. This is man-made canal, Suez Canal. And the boundary between Asia and Australia is usually placed between a small island is there, that island name is Guinea Island. So this Guinea Island will separate Asia from Australia. Next one. Regional divisions of Asia. 5 regional divisions are there in Asia. So Asia has 48 countries. So they are usually grouped into the following 5 major regional divisions. First one, East Asia. This is first regional divisions of Asia, East Asia. This East Asia comprises China. I hope you are observing the map of East Asia. East Asia comprises countries like China, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Mongolia. So they are between the vast expanse of the Russia. Russia is the upper part of the Mongolia. And to the north, the countries of the South Asian countries are there like India, Nepal, and Bhutan. And Southeast Asia and to the south. Southeast Asia, next. Southeast Asia, second regional division of Asia. This division comprises Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, and Brunei. Brunei is a small island. So these countries are located in Southeast Asia. This is a region of the peninsular and islands. Many islands are there in this region. So they are Sumatra Island, Java Island, Sulawesi, Brunei, Papua. So these are all islands of Southeast Asia. To the west of it lies between Indian Ocean. To the west, Indian Ocean is there, and east of this region and division, Pacific Ocean is there. Next, South Asia. South Asia, it is a third regional division of Asia. The South Asia comprises countries like India. India is there in South Asia. The countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. So these countries are there in South Asia. India is a giant. India is the biggest country in South Asia. The Bay of Bengal is there in eastern part of India. Arabian Sea is there in western part of India. Indian Ocean is in southern. So three water bodies covered. India is bounded by three water bodies. And to the north, Himalaya mountains are there, and east of the India, Myanmar. It is east in Afghanistan is there in west. Next, Southwest Asia. Southwest Asia comprises following the countries. They are following: Afghanistan, Bahrain, Cyprus, Turkey, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Syria, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates means UAE, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. So these are all OPEC countries. OPEC countries means oil production country. Petroleum is important source of these countries. So this region is the south of Black Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. To the west, India is there. India is located in the east. This regional division including desert area, semi-desert area, and these countries are very rich. Southwest Asia is very rich in petroleum and natural gas product. And next, Central Asia. Central Asia comprises the countries like this. Central Asia extends from the Caspian Sea in the west. China is there in the east. From Kazakhstan in the north to Iran and Afghanistan in the south. The main important countries are there in this Central Asia: Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Siberia. So these are all important countries in Central Asia. Children, in this video we have discussed location, physical setting, and important regional divisions of the Asia. In the next video, we will discuss about the physiographic divisions of Asian continent. Thank you, children.